To make peach vinegar, remove the seeds from 4 medium-sized peaches and slice up 1 pound. Then add the peaches to a sterilized 1-liter mason jar with 50 grams of cane sugar and enough water to completely submerge the fruit. When we make peach vinegar, we ferment the sugar in the peaches and add extra cane sugar to jumpstart the process, which produces alcohol and carbon dioxide, so leave a little room at the top for the gas to escape. When the process is starting, the peaches tend to float on the surface, so a glass weight can be used to help keep the fruit submerged below the waterline. Next, cover the top of the jar with a coffee filter to keep the bugs out, but still allows the natural yeast in the air to start the fermentation. Then allow the ferment to continue at room temperature. You need to stir the mixture every day to inhibit unwanted mold growth on the surface, and after a day or two you should see a noticeable effervescence as you stir, which will continue for at least a week. The effervescence will begin to subside shortly after that, signaling the fermentation is slowing down and the alcohol is ready to be turned into vinegar. After 2 weeks, a white film will have collected on the surface, which means the alcohol is feeding Acetobacter, which turns the mixture into vinegar, and a good time to strain out the decomposing fruit fiber. Then continue to stir every day for a couple of weeks. The vinegar is nearly finished when its astringent flavor develops. Then use a litmus paper test or a pH meter to make sure the vinegar has a pH in the vinegar range of below 3, and continue to stir every day until the vinegar is shelf stable. This batch took a little over a month and gave a yield of a cup or 250 milliliters. Store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Peach vinegar will last a very long time because it is difficult for most harmful pathogens to grow in strong acidic conditions.